YouTube Vanced is the popular modded version of YouTube. It has some of the most amazing features which are not available on the official YouTube application. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install the YouTube Vanced on your device. So first we'll do a quick review for it and then get straight into the installation. Some of the most amazing features of the YouTube Vanced is that it has no ads on it. Every videos like the other YouTube official application. It has an ability to block the ads which YouTube displays on its videos. It also has an optional AMOLED display dark theme which you can enable it by simply going to settings and choose the dark theme. For this video I'll be going to use the white theme. The dark theme is very useful when it comes to reduce the strain on eye and also the battery strain, yes. But among these all the features, one of my favorite features is that it allows you to play videos in the picture-in-picture mode and also in the background. Like if you turn off the phone, your video will be keep playing in the background.
जैसे फोटो क्लिक कर पाएंगे। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों Xiaomi का इस स्मार्टफोन में 6000 mAh के बैटरी और उसी के साथ
it also has the option of the swipe up control by which you can control the brightness by simply swiping up and also the volume swipe up control like the other video player applications. It also has the auto repeat feature like the official YouTube app by which you don't have to take a pause and videos will keep playing in the loop. You can also customize the YouTube Vanced application by simply going to its Vanced setting, and it has a lots of customizable options. You can enable them as per your choice. So that's it for the short review. Now we'll quickly jump over to the installation. Now before starting the installation, you need to simply go to your settings menu and turn on the developer mode by going to about phone and click to the MIUI version for about 7 times. Now once you are a developer, you need to go to the additional settings. Now go down searching for the developer mode options. Now go down searching for the, you need to disable the turn on MIUI optimization, also the notify about high risk feature. Now simply turn this off. Now after that you need to open any of the file manager on your phone and you need to download this manager.apk file. I will leave the link for the same in the description down below. This is the official APK link for the YouTube Vanced file, so it's completely safe. Now you just need to simply click on it and install it. Now open it. Now once you are on the welcome screen, you need to click on the let's get started option and click on next. And now here it is important to select the non-root device. Now inside it, make sure you select the non-rooted one device because the rooted one has some of the minor bugs. Now click on the non-rooted one device. Now close. Now here you will see the three options: YouTube Vanced, YouTube Music Vanced, and also the Vanced Microchip. Now simply click on the drop down menu of the YouTube Vanced application. Now click on install option and install. Now once it get downloaded, click on the settings and allow from the unknown source and toggle this on and install it. Now once the YouTube Vanced is downloaded on your device, now click on this redirect link and your YouTube Vanced will be started on your device. Now once you have installed it, click on the redirect menu of the YouTube Vanced, and your YouTube Vanced is on your device. So this was all for the today's video.